Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Facebook friends to Discord. So guys, let's continue into your Discord. Now go to your profile, swipe down and go to connections. Now tap on add, swipe down and select Facebook. Now you have to enter your Facebook email or phone number and password here. So now I'm entering my. So after entering, just tap on login. Now tap on continue. So guys, now your Facebook account is connected with your Discord account. So now you can add your Facebook friends to Discord very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.